Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel MoneyLion. They delete the app from their phone and assume everything is canceled. But that's one of the biggest mistakes you need to avoid. Here's the truth no one tells you. Deleting an app and canceling an account are not always the same thing. If you skip important steps, you could leave account settings or subscriptions active. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel MoneyLion in 2026 step by step, what you need to do before closing your account, and the common mistakes that can cause problems later. Let's get straight into it. Before starting the cancellation process, make sure you've handled any active financial obligations connected to your account. This may include pending transactions, outstanding balances, scheduled transfers, or other account-related activities. This is important because account restrictions can sometimes affect the closure process. Now let's move to the actual steps. First, log into your MoneyLion account through the mobile app. Next, navigate to your account settings or profile section. Financial apps occasionally update their layouts, but account management options are typically located within settings or account preferences. From there, look for account management, account closure, membership management, or similar options. Follow the instructions provided on screen and carefully review any confirmation messages before submitting your request. But here's the problem. Many users stop at this point and assume the process is complete. This is where most people fail. Always check for confirmation emails, notifications, or account messages after submitting a cancellation request. If you don't receive confirmation, your request may still require additional action. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users aren't actually trying to close their entire MoneyLion account. They only want to stop a specific service, membership, or feature. That's why it's important to understand exactly what you're canceling before proceeding. Closing an account and canceling an optional service can be completely different actions. For example, let's say Alex wants to stop paying for a particular feature but still wants access to his account. In that case, canceling the service may be the better option than closing everything. In a minute, I'll show you the step most people forget. Before finalizing cancellation, download or save any account information, statements, or records you may need later. Once access is removed, retrieving older information can become more difficult. Now here's the important final step. If you're unable to find account closure options inside the app, contact MoneyLion customer support through official support channels. They can explain the current cancellation process and help resolve account-specific issues. The key takeaway is simple. Don't just delete the app. Verify any active balances, follow the official cancellation process, confirm that your request was completed, and save important records before closing your account. Now you know exactly how to cancel MoneyLion the right way in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and financial guides, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues during the cancellation process.